This is Jess from JessHuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to create a jogless round crocheting in the back loop only. Most of my patterns include a round on the limbs, instructing you to crochet in the back loop only, or BLO. This creates a nice clean edge on the piece. If you do this with normal crochet rounds, you end up with a stair step or jog between the beginning and end of the round. Eliminate that jog with what I call the loop under technique. If you haven't done so already, complete the round before your BLO round as written in your pattern. Before starting the stitch of the BLO round, we're going to do the loop under technique. Start by pulling the yarn on your hook to slightly loosen the loop. Remove your hook from the loop and insert it back to front in the next stitch. Draw up the loop under the stitch with your hook. Pull on your working yarn to tighten the loop. Chain 1, tighten the chain, then complete the first stitch of the BLO round in the back loop of the same stitch. This stitch may be difficult to work into because everything is so tight, but that's normal. Complete the BLO round as written. If you need to check your stitch count at the end of the round, remember the loop under and chain 1 do not count as a stitch. I'll complete the next round before showing you the finished product. And there you have it. The result is an even BLO round with no jog. Thanks for watching.